Hello everyone, Binance is giving away money again. Yes, you hear that right. Binance is once again offering a generous promotions. As you can see, when I go to the Binance platforms and click on more, then navigate to the earn page, click on it. So for here, you will find a special earning opportunity involving the TON tokens. When you click on it, you will see that Binance offers an incredible 300% annualized returns of over 20 days for staking TON. Let's take a closer look. Over the 20 days, the TON tokens offer annualized returns of 300%. Each account can invest up to 50 TON tokens. And when you click product rules, you can see that Binance clearly states that this promotion is a low-risk, principal-protected product available to all users, with a chance for passive income without any risk. To participate in this promotion and get these free TON tokens from Binance, you first need to have a Binance account. If you don't already have one, feel free to use the link in the description below or enter my referral code WLUA5XISIS to register. By signing up through the link in the description, you will also get a permanent 20% discount on trading fees, which is crucial for trading cryptocurrencies. Now let's discuss how much money we can make from this promotion, how much principal is required, and whether any risks are involved. As mentioned, each Binance account can invest a maximum of 50 TON tokens. The current $6.7 per TON price equals to roughly $330 to $335. The promotion lasts 20 days with an annualized return of 300%, which translates to a daily yield of about 0.8%. Since we are investing in TONs and earning TONs, the daily earnings will be approximately 0.41 TONs. And over 20 days, investing 15 TONs will earn around 8.219 TONs. And if the price of TONs remains at $6.7, your daily earnings in US dollar will be about $2.67, totaling just under $54 over 20 days. So if you already have idle TONs tokens, Binance essentially gives you $53 for free over 20 days. But what about the risk? So if you already hold TONs, there is no risk. However, if you plan to buy TON with USDT, there is a risk of the token price dropping if you don't hedge. Here, there are two strategies. A risky one, where you buy TON with USDT without hedging, exposing you to potential price drops. But note that because Binance has a negative funding rate at the moment, it may not fall very well even if TON falls, because there are too many hedges. And the risk-free ones where you buy 50 TONs for $335 and then hedge with an additional $335 in futures to show 50 TON. This way your US dollar values remain stable and you eliminate risk. However, this approach requires doubling your capital to $670, including fees for hedging and transaction costs, which means your final earning may be less than $53. Which strategy is better depends on your risk tolerance and personal needs. Now, I will demonstrate how to use USDT to purchase TONs and participate in these promotions. As you can see on my Binance account, go to the homepage and click more, then find earns and click on it. So from there, you will see the Super Earn promotion. Click on it to enter the subscription page. So for here, you can see that if you don't already have TON, you will need to purchase some with USDT. Return to the homepage, click trade at the bottom, and click here to search for the TON USDT trading pair and to TON. Once you find it, you can see that TON has already risen to $6.75. Click buy, select market orders, and enter the amount you want to purchase for TONs, and then just click buy TONs, confirm your purchase. Once you bought TONs, return to the homepage, click more, then find earns, and finally click on the Super Earn promotion again to go back to the subscription page. So for here, just enter the amount you wish to stake, and the page will show your estimated annualized returns in TON tokens. You will also see details like first distribution date, interest end date, and redemption date. Once you confirm everything, just click convert, and after a successful subscription, you can share your TON holdings in the earn session, which is here.